Here at Trading Factory, welcome! I'll show you a very effective trading method in this movie that makes use of 3 of the trading screen's most potent indicators. Both novice and experienced dealers can use this trading algorithm. It can generate numerous high-quality messages each day. As a result, if you're a day trader who wants to build a successful job in the industry, using this strategy can help you get there quickly. For this approach, no premium or purchased indicators are required. In comparison to some expensive premium tools, the combination of indicators we discovered yields 100% better outcomes. Forex, cryptocurrencies, and equities can all be used with this strategy. On shorter time frames, like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and an hour, it displays excellent outcomes. As we previously stated, this approach only requires 3 free TradingView indicators: notifications from the UT bot, MACD, and VWAP indicator. You will understand the entry requirements for this strategy, the money management principles guiding it, and how to construct this setup by the conclusion of this brief film. Please hit the like option on this video and subscribe to Magic Indicator Strategies before we get started. My goal with this program is to quickly develop you into a profitable trader. Let's first define the MACD indicator before moving on to the trading guidelines. The closeness and divergence of the moving average, a momentum indicator that demonstrates the relationship between 2 groups of moving averages, is the MACD oscillator. The MACD creates an indicator that captures both direction and momentum by subtracting the long-term EMA from the short-term EMA. The MACD line, which gauges the separation between 2 moving averages, the signal line, which highlights shifts in price momentum, and the histogram, which depicts the discrepancy between the MACD and signal line, make up the indicator. A short-term momentum shift is signaled when the MACD line crosses the signal line. A change in a longer-term trend is typically indicated when both lines pass the 0 level. Volume-weighted average price, or VWAP, is the next sign on our chart. On intraday charts, this technical analysis indicator is used, and it resets at the beginning of each new trading period. It is a benchmark for trading that shows the daily average price at which a security is traded in terms of both traffic and price. Different traders use VWAP in various ways. VWAP can be used by traders to validate trends and to create trading rules. VWAP will serve as the foundation for our plan. UT bot alerts serve as our final strategy indicator. This straightforward purchase and sell indicator uses the average true range as its foundation. The average true range, or ATR, is a metric for gauging market turbulence. It is a tool in technical analysis that displays the average daily price movement of an asset over a specified time period. The indicator determines the best rates for initiating long and short trades based on this data. Let's now break down the precise requirements for purchase and sell trades so that we are clear on how these indicators work. In order for a purchase signal to be effective, the following requirements must be satisfied. First, create a buy label beneath the price bar. Second, the price bar must be entirely above the VWAP blue line at the moment the notification is sent. Third, green should be the hue of the MACD histogram. Avoid making the transaction if the bar is light green. Check the location of the most recent MACD bullish cross in relation to the 0 line to finish. The crossing must take place above the center line at the end of the present price bar. Start a buy trade. If these rules are in effect, place the stop loss below the most recent swing low. As soon as the indicator prints a sell label, close out a profitable long transaction. Here are a few more illustrations of buy deals. Observe how the MACD indicator eliminates erroneous signs. The candelabra can be seen here. The MACD is green, the cross occurred above 0, the price is above the VWAP, and a buy indication was given. The rules of the approach we just presented to you, traders, must be strictly followed. The risk-reward relationship can be extremely high at times. This is a crucial piece of advice for those who want to become successful dealers. Please like the post and subscribe to Magic Indicator Techniques if you find the information useful. By viewing our videos, you're improving as a trader every day. Okay, let's move on to learning how to make short trades. The indicator must first indicate a sell before proceeding. Second, the price bar must be below the VWAP band when the indication is active. Reading the MACD graph comes in third. The indication is invalid if the bar is light red. Lastly, look at where the MAC's most recent cross is located. To be valid, the cross must be below the center level. Place a sell order at the price bar's end if these circumstances are true. Put your stop-loss order above the swing high to close out a profitable short transaction. If you adhere to these guidelines after receiving a buy signal, you'll be astounded by how effective this approach is. How precisely should these indicators be added to the chart, then? Log into TradingView first, then select any asset's chart to view. Then navigate to the Indicators option and look for the Moving Average Convergence Divergence tool, which is the first tool. This sign is located in the Technical section. Keep the configuration at default. Look for the Volume Weighted Average Price when using the second instrument. Right now, select this sign. Its preset settings will also be kept. Finally, put UTBOT alerts as the third indicator. Choose the one that the Quant Nomad made. In the settings, set the ATR period to 5. I'm done now. The plan is complete. You can set up alerts for these purchase and sell signals to save time. You can do this by choosing the UTBOT alerts indicator as the condition and clicking on the alert button at the top. You can select purchase, sell, or even both as the signal. Configure the warning to sound only when a bar closes. When completed, select Create. Every time the indicator prints an indication, you will be informed. Before engaging in the transaction, confirm that the remaining requirements have been satisfied. Okay, so now that you know the trading rules, let's actually do our backtest on a 1-minute time frame and see if the outcomes are reasonable or not. I just finished the backtesting, and these results have surprised me. Our win rate is 70%, and the profits end up at 11%. I would also like to mention that these results will be different when trading live, so always try the strategy for yourself before using it. Guys, feel free to run back and forward testing on various markets and times to gauge how well it performs. If you want to see one of my other trading strategies I use when day trading, check this video right here, because this strategy works great on the every time frame you want. I'll see you guys next time.